guys, quick update on the 200 series Land Cruiser we've been working on. We got all of our suspension parts in it now. This is our kit that we make here in-house. It goes on the factory suspension. It gives us 3 inches of lift in the front and 1.25 inches of lift in the rear. Right now we have a 295 70/18 on the factory wheel. And we've got it to clear. Yes, we did run 1.25 inch wheel spacers in it, but that was just so it had light rub on the edge on the sway bar in the front. So we put those on to eliminate any of that. But we've done some measurements on the truck, and as you can see, from the top of the tire to the bottom edge of the wheel well, we're 5.5 here. We actually went around and did measurements on the whole truck. So what I'm just showing you is that back here on the back, we were from the top of the tire to the bottom edge of the wheel well, we're there again at 5.5. Actually, the truck all the way around, with even having the KDSS system on it, we have had no problem getting this truck to sit level with our kit on the factory suspension. So as you can see, the truck sits much better now. It has a much greater stance. I will tell you, it has really enhanced the vehicle with the way we set this up. So we can run 35s or 315 on it, and that's our next step, is to move up into that bigger tire size. But we've got the truck sitting the way we wanted it to. The truck rides amazing. It actually helps to get rid of some of the dipping in the front when stopping. This truck tends to, because it's so tall and it's got so much weight to it, that we notice that this truck tends to have a lot of side-to-side body roll. And what we've done is we've eliminated a lot of that. So we actually think that the ride quality has really been enhanced on this truck. So stay tuned. This kit is going to go up on our website here pretty soon and available to you as a consumer. And it'll be a great kit for those people that want to try to retain their factory suspension and they don't want to break the bank with buying much more expensive suspension on this. So stay tuned. We've got our roof rack coming, our rock sliders, and our rear hatch ladder for this as well. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.